Alright. It's AK Garage. Today's video we are going to check the voltage of coolant temperature sensor. Yes, the voltage. If your coolant temperature or the fan is not shooting at a time, it's nowhere how you can check the voltage of coolant temperature sensor of your car. So first you have to on your engine. Yes, you have to on it. Firstly, you have to on your car. You have to open your key like this. So as you're going to check, you have to open your key like this one. So you have to open your key. To open it, right, then it's on. You can see the dashboard now it's on. So it's how we're going to check the coolant temperature, the voltage of coolant temperature. And let's go to the car and see. Alright, so now I'll set my multimeter here. That's the red for this, and then the black one for home. So your multimeter has set, and then you have to set your multimeter to DC volts. Yes, set your multimeter to DC volts before you check the voltage of coolant temperature. So this is the coolant temperature. We are going to take the coolant temperature here, and before you check the coolant temperature, make sure you know where the coolant temperature locates before you start your work. So in this car of Chevrolet, this is the coolant temperature, where coolant temperature located, and here is it. Yes, and here you can find coolant temperature, and it's located here. So you have to locate where your coolant temperature is. Now this is my coolant temperature. Here you can locate the coolant temperature switch here. You can see where it's located. Right, it's here. This is it. You can see it now. This is the coolant temperature switch. Right, here it's located. So you locate and then you remove it. To remove it, then you check it have only two pins. You are going to identify the signal cable of this coolant temperature switch. So this is the signal cable. The blue, as you can see, is the signal cable. So now we are going to check it, and before we check, you have to connect the probe. Yes, you have to connect your probe. You have to connect your probe, the negative one, to the negative terminal of the battery. Right, negative terminal of the battery. Right, before you can check the voltage of coolant temperature switch. So you connect it to, then this one, the red one, will go to the signal cable of the socket or of the switch. So this is how it's going to do. So we are going to check the reading on the multimeter. So now you can check the multimeter right now. So this is it. So this is how we are going to check it now. The black one has been connected to the battery, and this is the red one to the signal cable. So now it's on the voltage. Yes, it's on the DC voltage. So we are going to check, and then like that, this one is supposed to be 5 volts. Coolant temperature is supposed to be 5 volts, right? 5 volts. So here we are going to check it right now. So this is the signal cable. you can see is 5, right? 5 volts. If the switch or the signal is good, is working well, it's supposed to get 5 volt for coolant temperature switch. So this is how you check the voltage of coolant temperature switch, right? So this is it. So it's 5 volts, and we are going to check the continuity of it, if it's working well or not. So here you set your multimeter of this one. This is my multimeter, so you set it to continuity, right? So this how my multimeter works for continuity. So it's here like this. So let's check the continuity of our multimeter. Now you can see the continuity is working. So the socket is working well. The continuity, you don't check the continuity on the signal cable. You don't check the continuity on the signal cable, but rather you check the continuity on the edge, the black one. Yes, on the opposite of the cable. So here is the continuity one. You can see it's working. So this is how you check the voltage of the coolant temperature sensor. So this AK Garage is share my videos and you go. Thank you.